Hey guys, it's Kyrah. Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year's. I hope everybody had a safe, healthy, happy New Year. I hope that all of your dreams and everything you could have ever wanted and more come true for you in 2018. I think this year is, for me, I'm going to be really big on personal growth and achieving my goals and getting much closer to, you know, what I really want to do. And I hope that you guys join me on this journey and whatever it may be that you want to do in life. So without further ado, make sure that you guys subscribe. Y'all know, hit the subscribe button. Oh my gosh, you guys, last time we talked, I was like, oh my gosh, I can't wait to get 100 subscribers, and I got 100 subscribers. Yeah, I'm so happy. So now I have like, I think 105 subscribers. I'm so elated and so appreciative. That means I get my own custom URL. It's not like YouTube-XY. So it'll be easier for you guys to come find me and hang out. I'm so excited. And I got a lot of things in store for 2018, so I can't wait. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I reverted my straight hair back to my curls or whatever. The curls are popping. I really love how my hair came out. You gotta watch, you gotta stay till the end of the video, sis. That's the only way you're gonna find out what's in my hair. You gotta stay till the end of the video, I'm sorry. Without further ado, let's just hop right into the video. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna start off by taking this bun out or whatever. I got my hair done and I was shaking and jiggling a little too much and sweated it all out. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like, and honestly, if I wanted to like revive this or curl it or something like that, I could, but I don't, and I'm over it. So yeah. So whatever I do when I wash my hair is I do a hot oil treatment. So I'm just gonna take some oils, and I'm just gonna take an applicator bottle and I'm gonna use some oils. This is jojoba oil. This is avocado oil. Lies, almond oil. And avocado oil. Then I put some olive oil in there. I usually do coconut oil, but my coconut oil is frozen because it's 14 degrees outside, and ain't nobody about to be trying to carve it out because it's like barely any left in there, so maybe later. Alright, so I just shook it up a little bit and I popped this in the microwave for like 15 minutes. You don't have to put it in the microwave. Most of the time I don't, but I was feeling fancy today. I also got on like an old t-shirt because I don't want to get oil on something that I care about. So I just take the oil and I go through my scalp. Ooh. And then just really get in there, massage my scalp and stuff like that, and then I'm just gonna take the oil, put it on my ends. You wanna make sure you get your ends real good because, you know, we need them to stay on our heads, especially because it's wintertime. Like, hot oil treatments are a major key in the wintertime. They give you some moisture and give your hair a lot of shine. So make sure that I get my ends real good, and I'll do the same thing on the other side. Then I'll just give myself, after I have all my oil in, I'll just give myself a scalp massage, and I'll do this for probably like 10 minutes, and I'll let this oil sit in my hair for maybe an hour. I also wanted to mention to you guys I'm using my Carol's Daughter Almond Milk Daily Damage Repair Sulfate-Free Shampoo and Restoring Conditioner. I really love this stuff, and I love to do conditioner also. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys the process of me like actually doing my hair, but God had other plans on that, so this is what my hair looks like after it's already done. Let me show you guys what I used. Hold on, I wasn't prepared for this. So this is what I have in my hair. So I actually bought this combing cream because of Georgia. I mentioned her in my curly hair video. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. I'll leave it somewhere around here for you. But she mentioned this, the black vanilla combing cream from Carol's daughter, and I was like, I need it. Like, I gotta try it. The consistency is bomb, and it, like, as you can see, my hair looks, I think my hair looks really good. So this was dope. If you guys want me to do a review on this or like a video using this so you guys can see like it in action, let me know, because I can definitely do that for you guys, because this is going to be like a new staple for me. I use my Mixed Chicks leave-in because the Mixed Chicks gives me definition, and a lot of times with like moisturizing products, like I'll get the moisture but my hair will just be frizzy, like it won't be defined. Then I used avocado oil just to seal everything in, and then I used gel, which I don't usually do, but I noticed that with my hair, if I do like a regular wash and go, no matter what products I use, if I just use like moisturizing products and nothing, no like styler, if you will, my hair will be all cute and stuff the first day, but then after that it's like... But yeah, so those are the products that I use to get my hair to be defined but fluffy and voluminous, and I think it's gonna last a couple days. I'll keep you guys updated on like Snap and stuff. If you're not following me, I don't know why. That's a personal problem. You might want to, you know, come follow me, come kick it with the kid. I really do love how my hair came out, and I'm glad the curls bounced back from being straight, even though I have no worries about that. Next time I get my hair done, I'm gonna actually take my camera with me, because the lady who does my hair is one of my friend's moms. Phenomenal. Like, from the time you walk into the door to the time that you leave, like, excellent. And I want you guys to see, because if you're in the area, like in a tri-state area, or in Philly or Jersey or South Jersey or whatever, like, you gotta go to her. That's all I'm saying. But yeah, that's really all that I have for you guys today. If you want me to do a wash and go or like a demo with any of those products, just comment and let me know. I can definitely do that for you guys. I also got a few more videos rolling for you guys. I've seen that a lot of you wanted to see my favorite products, like for my hair, like my holy grails and stuff like that. So I'm gonna get that out for you guys, definitely. I'm gonna start on my uploading 2 times a week. You heard? Hold me to it. I'll be waiting. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, add me on social media, come hang out with me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!